Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we've been sent a torch from our friends at Latura Lighting. They reckon it's one of the best torches on the market. We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. So let's open it up and have a look. We'll take it out tonight and try it, won't we? First of all, as you can see, it's still sellotaped up, so you know you're seeing it at the same time as I've seen it. Right, so what have we got in your box? We've got thank you for your purchase. A little bit of information about the torch. Oh, the cable I've just dropped on the floor. Little cable. And the torch, which is the important thing. So it's got a swivel head. It's LED. You can see that it's LED. And we spin it round. It's got a different light on the front. So that's interesting. It's solar. And I believe you can use it as a power bank as well. We'll try that out in a minute. I'm looking around, so you've got solar on the bottom. You've got a little loop there for your put a strap on it. Got a button. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's got some power. So you can see it's actually powered up from, well, it looks, oh, that's warm as well. That's really quite warm. So I don't know if we've got different settings. Yeah, we have. So that's that one, and if I turn it round, and one hard, long press of the button, and you come up with this light, which is a softer light, I think it is, but we'll find out tonight in the dark. And that, yeah, that's the free. So it's got three functions. It's got the long press, brings on that soft light. I think it's soft light, we'll find out. And then we spin it around. He says one long press, and it takes it back to this light. So it's actually got film on it at the moment as well. So let's take the film off. And you can see, I can see on the camera how bright it is. And we'll take it out in the sunshine in a minute and see how well it, so if we can notice it's solar power and anything. And I think what we'll do is we'll get something to see if we can plug something into there that proves it's actually powering up. So we'll come back in a minute and plug something in. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the supply cable into the USB-A socket, and then we're going to use this little lights that was sent to me by Newer. I want you to see this as we plug it in. So you're looking down and you're also looking in. So I'm going to bring this in as close as I possibly can before I plug in. So hopefully, yeah. So you can see the lights have come on the unit to indicate the charging, and you can see the little blue light there flashing as well. So that is a power bank as well, so it's a torch and an emergency power bank. I don't know how big the battery is. I'm just going to have a look here now. So this model torch is the 5166, and you can see here it has a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and they do a model which is a 5167 as well, which has a 4500 milliamp hour battery. So there's a bigger one in this, a more powerful one. It says it's got a working time of 3 to 5 hours, whereas the bigger one's got 4 to 6 hours. So are you going to need a torch that long? I don't normally do it. It's normally about 20 minutes and maximum in it. Charging time 2 to 3 hours. Oh, 2.5. Charging time's 2.5 hours, and the bigger one's 3 hours. So there you are. What we're going to do now is we're going to take it out in the sunshine, show you it in the sunshine. I don't know if it indicates that it's charging, but hopefully it will. And then we'll take it out tonight and just play in the dark while we're out there. Okay, here we are. We just come outside, and I want you to watch that area there as I take my hand away from a solar panel. You can see the green light come on, so it's obviously taking a solar charge. So that works quite well as well. I'm not sure how well it's going to charge a battery of the solar, but it's always going to top it up in it. So it's a shame really though, it doesn't, well, I suppose it does sit okay like that. It'd be much nicer if the solar panel was on top. But there we go. And what we'll do is we'll come out tonight when it's dark and we'll just show you it working. Show you how bright it actually is. Okay, right, it's quite dark now, as you can see. I've got a torch light on me, but you can't see anything. I'm going to switch the torch off now with the light on the camera so you can see just how dark it is. And I don't think you can see me at all now. So we look around. It's a really, really clear starry night as well, but you can't see that. So what we're going to do, just switch the torch, the light back on. And we're going to take the torch out. I'm actually using a little light attached to my camera. That's what it's lighting it up like, with the little light. So you can see a bit of my garden. And then coming back you can see a bit of my house. So I'll switch the light off. You can see a little bit of light down by the house. We'll come back this way and you can't see anything. So I'm now going to switch the torch on. And there you are, you can see how bright that is. Look at that. I reckon you can see the beam going upwards as well. So, and then we've got the flashing. So turn it off. I'm now going to turn the lens around. This is what looked to be the soft light. I'm going to do the same again. And that's the soft light. You can see it, look how good that is. That is a brilliant torch, isn't it? That really is a brilliant torch. And let's go back up into the sky again. You can see it's not as powerful. It just spreads the light more. Well, don't go away yet. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the torch and give you some specs. That was the LETOUR 350 degree torch. I suppose that's what they want to call it. What did we think about it? Well, I thought it was a very powerful torch. Quite liked it actually, and like I said last night in the video, we certainly will put that in our camper van and that'll be part of our toolkit from now on. I think that's a very powerful bright light, which may come in handy at some time. Now what I'm going to do is, before we leave, I'm going to give you some information about the torch. Well, the torch has 350,000 lumens, and you saw last night how bright that is. This head swivels through 350 degrees. That enables you to use both lenses. It's also got a 3000 milliamp hour battery in it, so you can use it as a power bank as well for emergencies. The torch carries an energy class of Class A. The torch is also impact resistant. It has passed a Yearblue 3-meter drop test, so it should give you a little bit of confidence out in the field, shouldn't it? Well, I said it's got 9 modes, and I can't remember having 9 modes last night, so I've just gone in to check again. We have on the main lens, let's just go back to the main lens again so you can see this. I'm going to hold it so you can see it. We have the main one, we have a slightly dimmer version, then we have the strobe. But when we turn it round to the other lens, let's bring them on. We have the main light, we have a dipped version of the main light, we have a yellow light, we have a dipped version of a yellow light, and we have a red light. I didn't even realise that. We have a red light. Then we have a red flashing light. And then that's off. So there you are. That is your 9 modes. Something we didn't realise we had last night. And the last couple of things I can tell you about it, as I said yesterday, it's got a solar panel, so you can charge it when you have no access to anything else. I don't know how quick it's going to charge. That's something we will have to find out in the field, and if I'm using it, and I will tell you in a future video sometime. And the last thing is, if you go onto the Amazon page, it's currently £30. It normally retails at $32.99. I will contact LETOUR and see if we can get a discount code and make it a little bit cheaper for you guys. Hopefully we can. So there you have it, the LETOUR flashlight. Not a bad light, is it really? Now, on their Amazon page, they've got lots of other types of flashlights. So if this one isn't quite the one you want, maybe there's another one there that will suit your needs. Well, just leaves me to say, thank you very much if you've got this far for watching a video. And if it's your first time visiting the site, thank you, and hopefully you'll come back and watch more of our videos. We do a lot of van related videos, a lot of backpacking related videos in Asia, and we also do bits and pieces such as tech and repairs on vehicles, and the reviews to things that go with our camping. So if that's something you think you might be interested in, please consider subscribing. To all of you that have subscribed and come back, thank you, and let's continue the journey. Let's adventure together, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye. Well, all I can say is thank you very much for sending me the torch, and we think it's absolutely brilliant. I think it's going to be part of our camping toolkit from now on. And as you can see, it's very, very dark tonight. It's no moon at all, so it's a perfect night to try it. And if you want to buy one of these, I'm going to put a link down below, and maybe even a discount code if they'll offer one.